put penis in rectum if I feel masculine deficient. Somebody said, oh my goodness. Are you all following me? Do you know that within the framework of the discussion of the bell curve and all the people, so-called scientists, who are saying black people are deficient in terms of intelligence as far as genetics goes, do you realize that one of these esteemed scientists has said, we will have to conclude that the smaller the penis, the higher the intelligence. Do you all understand? Isn't that heavy? To me, that's profound, that they spend time, but I was at Howard University College of Medicine, and there was a white scientist in the Department of Anatomy, who I will not name on this occasion, and he was doing a study measuring the length of black men's penises. We're better placed than at a black university. Are you all with me? Well, I know Dr. Welsing doesn't really understand what she's talking about, but maybe let's look at smoking objects. What are the two series of smoking objects in the white supremacy system and culture? Here we go again, big brown and small white. Ooh. What, aside from cigarettes, what are cigarettes called in the white supremacy system and culture? You read my book. Cigarettes are called fags. Look in your dictionary. Meaning small white is equated with what? Female and effeminacy. What smoking objects do the most powerful men smoke? Cigars. And I encourage everybody in this room to go to your newsstand where they have the big expensive magazines and look for the magazine, big expensive magazine called Cigars, and it has all these long cigars and how they taste and, you know, their characteristics and how much they cost. The most expensive smoking objects, are they small white or are they big and brown? Big and brown. I didn't make the culture. I have tried to look at it and decode it so we understand what we are dealing with. The white supremacy system and culture wants us to be the clowns of the planet. If you don't believe it, just look at Martin. And this is why this discussion has great importance. Because the white supremacy system and culture says, if I can just turn him into a woman, I'll be home free with white genetic survival. Are they succeeding? Yes. Yes. Yes, indeed. This is no affront to anybody because we had not decoded what we were dealing with. When I was in undergrad, I used to think, well, it's all about economics. No, Neely Fuller Jr. came along and said white supremacy is a system. And the system operates in economics, education, entertainment, labor, law, politics, religion, sex, and war. This is everything we do. The system is carrying out in terms of perception, logic, thought, speech, action, symbols, and emotional response. Everything is geared to white genetic survival. It's a trick to say it's all about green power. No, you need money to purchase the things that you need and that you want. But it's all a part of the system of white supremacy.